Welcome to Craft. In this video, we're going to cover some of the main features to get you started creating beautiful work in craft with your team. Building a space for your work starts in the team home. Just create a new space here. We'll call ours Company Home because this is going to be the main space everyone in the company will use to keep aligned and up to date. Straight away, we'll invite a few managers so that we can build our home together. If you want to invite someone not already in your team, just click here and then add their emails. Now that your team has access to the right space, they can start creating folder structures and documents that the wider organization can use. In fact, you can already see that HR is doing exactly that, making a folder for their area and populating it with company policy. Fatima's creating an employee handbook. This is one of those documents that everyone has to be reading, and quite often, people struggle to keep engaged with it. To help with this, Fatima can use text formatting like highlights, block decorations, and focus decorations to help draw attention to the most important sections. If a section is really long, like the company policies, Fatima can just hit Group to combine this text as a page. Then, to add more stylization, she can change the page to a card. Often, employees will need the handbook just to get some quick answers, so we can use the AI assistant to write a summary of each policy beneath it to help people get the context they need quickly. Now that the employee handbook's ready to share with new starters, just click Share and Fatima can create a link to give to anyone inside or outside the organization. The team's company home space is full of content. Now they can start aligning every day to make sure their projects are running to schedule or the team can help each other achieve its goals. Each day, you can set up a daily note where team members can update everyone on their progress, blockers, their achievements, and ask for feedback. Teams can just jump in at the end of their day and leave their updates. Then the next morning, everyone has full visibility across the team's progress. Just clicking on the date in the calendar brings up the daily note for that day. If it's not already created by someone else, you can just start typing or press the / key and type in template to bring up a list of templates for any type of document. Discover how to make even more beautiful, collaborative, and creative documents in Craft from our other videos on YouTube.